Let's make Tibok Tibok the maverick way. First, we will make latte or toasted coconut milk curd by simmering coconut milk. Keep stirring until toasted and brown in color. Separate the coconut oil from the curd, then set aside. Now, I'm improvising a mold for the Tibok Tibok by using bubble wrap, rubber band, and pastry ring. Brush with coconut oil, then set aside. For the Tibok Tibok, we will need Carabao-milk milk, white sugar, cornstarch, and lime zest. Mix it well until the sugar and cornstarch are fully dissolved. Now cook the mixture in low heat while continuously stirring. Tibok Tibok means heartbeat due to the method of determining if the dish is already cooked. When it is cooked, bubbles break the surface, making it look like it's pulsating. Transfer immediately into the mold and let it cool, then keep in the fridge for 30 minutes until it is fully set. While we are waiting for the Tibok Tibok to set, let's make a coral twill for our garnish. Combine water, flour and oil, then cook it on a hot non-stick pan. Eventually, the water will evaporate, creating bubble marks, leaving the oil to crisp up the flour. Place it on a paper towel to drain the oil. Now let's start plating the Tibok Tibok.